Hi guys! So ito yung amin. SG na may unting motor show! Ako yung talisman! We came from the school! So this is how I look. You are wearing headcap.
Orville, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Adrian, good morning.
What?
Hi Jay, good morning.
Morning.
Musta ang CSE days mo?
Tired but full feelings.
RJ, good morning.
Good morning.
Yesterday.
Pangit pare.
Bakit? Talo ba kayo?
Talo? It's a great challenge actually. Hindi tayo pwedeng magreklamo since this is our situation.
Ito naman si Sir Alex. Sir Alex, good morning. Sir Alex, good morning.
We are also blessed gyapon kay we have good health, good sportsmanship, and good relationship as a student.
It was actually fun.
Ang first day namin is maganda talaga.
So hi guys, this is the opening of our CSE day. Hi everyone, we just finished our devotional. So si Mark yung mag-minister ngayon, ngayong CSE days. And nag-isip kami kung anong sports attire yung susuotin niya. Gusto ko nga fencing kaso feeling ko hindi na kaya ng Hi guys! So ito yung amin. Meron kami snake sa likod. Papakita ko sa inyo. Can you see that? Yeah. Ayan. Diba? Super nice. Ano? What can you say? Papakilaw ako ah. What can you say?
Very SG.
Very SG. The vibe is so nice, guys.
SG na may unting motor show!
Yan yung mga gusto niya, yung mga motor show.
Hindi, sige nila.
Sige Neros. Grabe, super nice. Feel mo yung SG. Diba? Hi guys! Welcome to our CSE day! Iba man yung iyo? Iba yata yung iyo eh. Hi Kenzie! Hi Kenny Rose! Hi Al! Hi! Hi Dayan! Ayun na, nandun na. Sige! Ano na naman yan, man? Hi Ken! So this is us. Yan yung gusto ko, may sarili tayo sa natatawa ako kasi may sarili kami sound system. Mark, anong masasabi mo?
happy!
Kuyog! Magkuyog na this week! Wala ka ba ng tamang sinabi? Aray ko! Siya yung nahuli? Siya pa yung may mga ganyan. Magkulong lang sa CSC Days. Paano ka magkala? Tagal Ay, may mic tayo. Bigatin talaga nursing, may sarili. May mic kami, may mic. Kita niyo yung snake? Ayan oh. Mga vipers ni pala snake. Bok!
Ibang glowing, ilaw.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Kuyuta. Kuyuta isa ang gusto ko. Kuyuta. 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 Kuyuta isa ang gusto ko. Kuyuta. 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 You are SMG. You are SMG. And you are ING. You are ING. You are ING.
The following day.
Hi guys! We're wearing our uniform na. Feeling clean. Ano?
Alikot!
Sige na Christine. Hindi na pinigilan yung kamay ko.
Nakita mo, hindi ako prepared. Nadukulin niya.
Wala.
Kaya bakit daw kayo nanonood kayo ng vlog yan? Makasubscribe kayo lahat!
Ken, ba't hindi ka nakaganto?
Ganyan ako?
Siyempre,
Kasi nakakahiya. Tanong ako, anong laro mo?
Ano? Cheer, bakit? Ipakita mo yung binahan mo 770.
Ako magsuot ng ganyan para
Bakit?
buong araw.
Maglalaba ka din naman. Mamayang
Kasi
gabi.
ngayon half day lang. Bukas ako magsuot. Suotin niya.
Hi guys! So we won the softball. Hindi ko alam kung may video or anything, pero we won. Grabe ko ka-proud sa sarili ko, na-catch ko. Tapos 2 outs. So ngayon nanonood kami sa basketball. So si Kenji naglaro pero pinalabas. Kenji, anong masasabi mo? Okay na. Okay na. Sana ba si Kinirus? Ay, naku. Wala siya doon? Wala. Feeling ko nanonood ng chess. Baka nanonood siya ng chess. Sana nag-video din siya. Hi guys! Today we have Lance. Lance, anong masasabi mo ngayong araw, Monday, sa ating CSE Days?
Masarap matulog.
So, anong pinacilitate mo ngayong araw?
Nag-facilitate po ako ng poster making doon sa library kanina ng alas 8 ng umaga.
So, sa tingin mo ba may chance yung nursing department?
Secret! Pero feel nakin itong year magka-comeback na yung nursing.
Okay guys, so ano masasabi ni Heb? Si Heb ay yung contestant po natin sa Mass Singing Tutunes. Ano masasabi mo ngayong araw?
Sa totoo lang, dapat kasi manalo ako nung first place dapat. Pero sabi ko third place lang para hindi halata.
Wow, so ngayon nag-sing si Heb and di siya ready pa. Hindi pa siya ready pero qualified siya for tomorrow. So let's abang-abang tomorrow guys. Guys, nakalimutan ni Ann na may practice siya. So ito, nagko-coach si Kinirus. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita dahil with the SVG, striktong patnumer kapay. So si Ann pero ang galing ni Kinirus. Okay.
1, 2. Ano sa kabila? Oo, left yan. 1.
May bawal magbura dito.
3, 4, 5, 6, ikot, 7, 8.
Okay. Night 2, day 1. Now, nakinancel yung nightly activities kasi nga raining. So, ayun na nga. So, ngayon mag-devotional. Kasi parang ang labo.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So hi guys, good morning. This is day 2. So dito kami sa may pool, 5:20 na kasi nga maglalaps ako kasi wala pa ako nakalaps for sa Thursday. So it's Tuesday. So kasama ko si Kish, nauna pa siya sa akin. Close pa yung may gate yung pool. Close pa. Sabi ko kapag 5:30 na alis na daw siya, sabi ko ako mag-ubyat na bakod na. Sana, hindi naman. Ayun na, may tao na. Good morning. Good morning po. So hi guys, nagtitraining ako with my 2 set friends. SET kasi sila yan. Lalapit tayo sa kanila. Nagpa-practice sila mag-dive. And gusto ko makita niya kung paano ako mag-dive. Hindi ko alam kung yun ba yung pinakatama. Pero thankful ako sa isa kong friend noon. FO na kami, siya yung nag-teach sa akin mag-dive. Yeah, every time I dive. So yung maalala ko. Kahit hindi niya na ako mahal. Ouch! Ouch! I can feel the pain.
Nauna siya. Sabay. Sabay siya. Sabay siya.
Sige, let's try to put it here. Okay. I will set the camera up. So this is how I look when you are wearing head cap.
Freshly baked potato. Guys, yung eyebags namin. Guys. Chinese.
Five minutes later.
Hi guys, good morning again. So nakaligo na ako. May gamot yung buko kasi nga anti-genre. Dito na kami sa church. So ito yung ngayon na kami pumasok sa umaga. Siyempre sila bagong gising. Ako yung mukha ko bagong gising pa din. Siguro. So, hi guys! Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Like, parang gumanon siya kanina.
Talaga?
Oo, bakit pa? Tapos, dito kami sa side. Dito diba, like, nakita nyo dito sa labas. Hindi pa tapos. May, voting song na. Hindi ko alam kung paano makakapaglaro. Pero right now, gayawan. Malagod na ako. So hello guys, today we are here in the church. Dahil maulan, hindi ko alam may announcement. Pero ngayon, tatanungin natin si Orville kung kamusta yung day 1 niya sa ating CSE days. Orville, good morning! Good morning!
Good morning.
So, anong masasabi mo sa day 1 ng CSE days mo?
Tulog, anay aga, din pagkapon, paninlo court.
Nakalaro ka ba kahapon?
Basket lang.
May naka-points ka ba?
Wala.
So, ayan. Thank you, Orville. Okay lang ba na ilabas ko to sa YouTube channel ko? Okay lang ba?
Okay lang
So, thank you, Orville. Okay, let's find another suspect. Adrian, good morning.
What?
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, may video ako. So, mag-i-interview lang ako kung kamusta yung day 1 ng CSE days mo.
Matagalog?
Hindi, ay, diligay.
Kapoy, kag per day.
Nakapaglaro ka ba?
Oo.
Thank you, Adrian. Okay lang ba na isama ko to sa vlog?
Okay lang naman, talaga. Bye-bye.
So, okay, let's find another suspect. Ito guys, si Jake yung tatanungin natin. Hi Jake, good morning.
Morning.
So today, mag-i-interview lang ako kung kamusta yung day 1 mo ng CSE days.
Okay lang. Masaya.
Anong mga games ang nilaro mo kahapon?
Naglaro ako ng Jenga, ping pong, and football.
So kamusta naman? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Anong nangyari?
Nag-enjoy ako especially sa Jenga kasi ang intense. Yung iba focus sa mind games and all. Kami focus sa aming bricks na kinukuha sa Jenga. And then if matumba yung Jenga, ayun, nagsha-shout kami and the rest na-shock.
Pero nanalo ba tayo ang nursing department?
Of course.
Okay, very good, very good.
I won and I'm planning to be a champion in Jenga.
Wow. Okay, thank you Jake. Okay lang ba na ilabas ko to sa vlog?
Okay lang.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we will now find our last suspect.
Wala na akong close. So, si Badet na lang yung tatanungin natin. Good morning, Badet.
Good morning.
So, anong masasabi mo sa laro mo kahapon? Kamusta ang CSE days mo?
Tired but fulfilling since it's my first time to play during the CSC days. And I love the spirit, I love the energy, I love it.
So, okay, thank you, Badet. Okay lang ba na i-play ko to sa vlog?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Anong masasabi mo?
It's very cutesy.
Okay.
It's very tiring, but it's good. Sila dito matama.
Still slay.
Yes, dapat slay always.
Okay, thank you, Joseph. Mwah. So, hi guys. We will now look in our other departments. Ito, si RJ. RJ, good morning.
Good morning.
So, how was your first day of your CSE days?
Patya na lang ko.
Bakit?
Di na ako.
Anong mga games ang nilaro mo kahapon?
Frisbee, tsaka table tennis.
Panalo ba sila? Panalo ba yung game mo?
Panalo yung table tennis, talo yung frisbee.
Okay, thank you, RJ. Okay lang ba na ilabas ko to sa vlog?
Gaya.
Okay. Let's now find another suspect. Gusto ko theology. Or set, ganon. Wait lang. Ito si Clifford. Clifford, good morning.
Good morning.
So, how was your first day of your CSA day yesterday?
Pangit, pare.
Bakit? Talo ba kayo?
Talo.
Anong game ang nilaro mo?
Basketball.
Wala ka ng ibang game na nilaro?
Wala na.
Bakit? Malayo ba yung points?
Di naman, sakto lang.
Pero anong mga highlights mo nung game na yon?
Defense lang. Tamang micro. Tamang gawa ng plano.
So, okay lang ba na ilabas ko to sa vlog?
Okay.
Okay, now, next. Dapat naman set. Kaso parang wala akong close na set. Pero si Kuya Adrian na lang. Kuya Adrian, good morning. Kuya Adrian, good morning. Good morning. Para sa vlog.
Good morning.
So, kamusta po ang pagiging facilitator and nag-organize nitong CSC Days?
So far, nagiging madali naman siya since there are a lot of coordinators who are willing to support the sports commission.
So, ano pong masasabi mo and parang masasabi mo sa ngayong CSC Days?
It's a great challenge actually. Tayo pwedeng magreklamo since this is our situation. But we will move forward kasi we know na this is our schedule and all things will always work together for good.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya. Okay lang ba na ilabas ko sa vlog?
Okay lang.
Okay, thank you po. Ito naman si Sir Alex. Sir Alex, good morning. Sir Alex, good morning.
Hala, ako naman nakita yun.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
So, ano pong masasabi mo bilang isang coordinator or anong tawag doon? Sponsor ng CSC? Anong masasabi mo?
Sa akon, umahamba ko lang is the activity is good but the weather is not really good for us because wala ta mga outdoor activities or nightly activities nga ara sa outside. So, but we are also blessed gyapon kay we have good health, good sportsmanship, and good relationship as a student.
Sir, wala po bang alternative? Hindi pa po open yung gym kahit ganito yung panahon?
I think meron naman, pero we are just waiting for an update from the higher committee of this school kung ano ila decision for us. Kay yesterday, we are already talked to the administrators and to other admin member, ADCO member for that and the safety committee. Pero, and today, sana, based sa kay Madam President sang SG, sang CSC, we will just wait for the guidelines and the official update from there. Okay. Mulang na siya.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay lang po ba na ilabas ko to sa vlog?
Hello.
Bakit tayo nagbibideo kung wala lang?
Vlog pag hindi.
Oo, sige na. Yes,
Ikaw
yes.
bala, ah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Pero pinaka-last talaga, gusto ko talaga set. Set na person kasi naka-theology na ako. Sino ba? Si Kenjerlyn na lang. Kenjerlyn, good morning.
Good morning. Yes po, good morning.
So how was your first day of CSE?
Hindi na ako magliwat. It was actually fun. And given the weather yesterday, the United Prayer really really helped big time. And praise God for the weather yesterday, and we were able to enjoy and have fun.
What games did you play yesterday?
Yesterday, we actually played baseball, and during the afternoon, we had volleyball.
Okay. So did you won the game?
For the baseball, we conceded defeat.
And then
we gave up. And for the volleyball, yeah, we won.
So thank you so much. Okay lang ba na ilabas ko sa vlog?
Sige, sure.
Thank you. So hi guys, for our last interviewee, we have Kuya Kenny. Requested by talaga. Kuya Kenny, how was your first day of CSE?
Ang first day namin is maganda talaga.
You can speak in your language.
So, lingaw kayo ang first day dahil medyo kuan kayo, critical, medyo may pagkasakit tayo gamay pero happy kayo, enjoy and wala na.
Anong game ang nilaro mo kahapon?
Songka, ano man? Soccer.
Yun lang po.
Yes.
Did you won the game?
1-1 lang, 1-1. We're not lose but draw.
So will you play another game for that?
May isa pang laro, ano man, Bisaya gali. May isa pa kadua. Muna.
Okay, thank you so much. Sino pang gusto? Wala na ba? Kuya Kevin, what can you say about your CSE days?
Oh, it's a rainy season, so it's not good. But I am appreciating the officers who are leading our CSE days.
So, si Kuya Kevin, grabe yung booth namin yung tinatrabaho niya. Kaya I am super thankful kay Kuya Kevin. So, ayan. Okay na talaga. Last na ito.